Hello guys, today let's talk about time zones and collections in Laravel based on the example tweet that I posted quite a while ago, but it was pretty popular, so I decided to shoot this video demonstrating that visually. So for Filament project, for the dropdown of time zones, open source project Cachet uses something like this. So not just listing the select options, but also grouping them by continent, like Australia, Europe, or something else. But this video is not about Filament, it's about grouping that data in exactly that way. So this is the code snippet, the one I've posted on Twitter, and also I will link the original source in the description below. But in this video, let's dissect and debug different parts of that code snippet, because there are quite a few operations here, like map to groups, string before to string, then map, group collapse, and then what is that function of time zones. So I've opened up my Tinkerwell and just pasted that operation, and this is the result. So to be able to show those select options grouped by continent, the format should be this. So Africa and then collection of African time zones with key and value the same name. Then Filament automatically transforms that into select with option groups, and then similarly, for example, Europe and then Europe's time zones. So how to get that in a proper Laravel collection? Step by step. First, did you know about time zone identifiers list? This is a PHP function. It's not even Laravel. So if we launch that, so let's comment that and launch that, the result is array of 419 time zones, probably ordered alphabetically. Then step by step we turn that into a collection. So let's uncomment one by one and see the intermediate results. So if we launch that, this is a collection now, and then with that collection we can perform multiple operations in a chain. So map, transform, stuff like that. So the next operation is map to groups. Let's uncomment that one and see the result. We launch, and now we have the groups. So this is the rule of how to group the values. And let's dissect that separately. For example, we have, in this case, Africa, Abidjan, and let's do it this way. Time zone equals this, and then let's copy and paste this and comment that out for now. We launch. We have a syntax error here because we took it out from callback function. So let's just take that one. So I would explain it that we have string and then before the first slash. So this is the key of each group. So this is what map to groups does, and this is the key of each group. But as you saw there, let's uncomment that again. The result of each collection is not the same as we need. We have arrays here. So this is where we need, again, another collection operation, which is map and group collapse. Collapse will remove that array and leave only the value that we need. So we launch that one, and then if we go to Africa all, as you can see, we have one array, one-dimensional array instead of two-dimensional. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you, the power of collection and string operations together to transform the data however you want for specific select dropdown or any other use case. If you want more practical examples with Laravel collections, we have a course. So if you go to Laravel Daily Courses and search for collections, we have Laravel collection chains, 15 real examples which I gathered from open source projects. So this is a video course in 2022, but since then nothing really changed in the collection. So these are 15 examples, or if you prefer text format, also it is transformed into a premium tutorial. So if you go to premium tutorials and search for collections here, as you can see, 15 open source examples in text format. I will link both in the description below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.